Our chat time. Is your heart sore? Does it feel heavy? Sometimes when we go through heartbreak, it's almost like we can literally feel our heart breaking. Sometimes it feels like it's going to burst out of your chest. It's sore. It's heavy. I've been there. I know how it feels. Your heart can repair. It will get better in time, I promise you. This is a season and it won't last forever. Your heart is what drives you. Your heart is what keeps you going. Your heart is what keeps you alive. So remember, even if your heart's been broken and it feels heavy and you're feeling pain, you're still alive and there's always hope. You've got this.